Hi, welcome back to Law Joan. My name is Joan.A and I'm a lawyer. In today's video, I'm going to look at the key features of a valid land title. Here with me, I have a photocopy of a duplicate certificate of title. So when you obtain a title, you're given a duplicate certificate of title and the original one stays at Ministry of Lands. So a title is supposed to have 5 pages. That is the cover page, or what we call a blue page, which is supposed to have the district. Here we have the district as Wakiso, then the block number, which is 547, then the county, which is Busiro, then the plot, which is 160. So the cover page, you always find that it has Uganda Registration of Titles Act to show that it's a Ugandan title. Then down here, it's supposed to have the office where you got this title from. So now here we have Office of Titles, Wakiso, Busiro, Ministry, Zone Office. So this is where this title was obtained from. So just because this is a photocopy, we cannot see the seal, but usually an original land title is supposed to have a seal. That's how you can tell. When a seal is always engraved here in a circular form. So you're supposed to, when you touch it, you're supposed to feel the seal. So a title that is original is one that embodies a seal. So if you ever find yourself having a title without a seal, you just know you have a forged title. Very many people have fallen prey or have been duped by getting forged titles. So today I feel like I should equip you with knowledge for some of you who do not know how a land title looks like, so that you can avoid being taken advantage of while purchasing land. So this is the second page of a land title. Remember, we said we have 5 pages of a land title. The second page of a land title is supposed to show particulars of the owner of the land, that is here, and also it's supposed to show the particulars of the land. So you get to see that here you have the district, which is Wakiso, sub-county Wakiso, and you get to find that here you have the county, which is Busiro, you have the block number, which is 547, and plot. So something you have to note that the block number and plot number on this second page must match the block number and plot number that we saw on the first page, because you cannot have more than one block number on the same piece of land, and you cannot have more than one plot number on the same piece of land. Normally, when that happens, you know that you have a title that is forged. So land is usually measured in hectares. You can see the size of land by looking at this area here. So then we go on. Remember, we have different tenures of land. We have Milo, then we have freehold, then we have customary, then we have lease. So what we have here is a title for Milo. So you can clearly see here that the tenure here is Milo. It is private Milo. Why? Because we're holding a title that is for a residential place. So that means that the title was obtained for a residential area where they're going to build like a home. So this shows where the land is located. So here the land is located at Nambaze. So when you go down to the particulars of ownership, it's supposed to show the time and the date, the instrument number, the name of the person, the NIN of the person, the address of the person. And also here, you're supposed to have the signature of the registrar. So you're supposed to always confirm the NIN that you have here on the title with the NIN of the person selling to you the land. And also, this part should not be crossed. If the person is selling to you land and it is crossed with a red pen, then it means that person no longer owns that title. So the names must be clear and uncrossed. Then let's go to the third page. So the third page, usually it's the sketch of the land. So you get to see that your land that you're buying is always highlighted in red. Like the edges are highlighted in red. Then the neighboring areas are always highlighted in black. Unfortunately, we have a photocopy, but that's what you need to know. So on this page, you find that it shows the district where the land is located. Here we have Wakiso district and Busiro County. Then it also shows the office where this title was got from. Then you can see there is a barcode here. You can always scan the barcode so that you can access further details at the Ministry of Land about this land title. Then down here you always have the signature of the senior cartographer, and here you have the signature of the Commissioner of Survey and Planning. So when we go to the fourth page, the fourth page always has the encumbrances. So the photocopy that we have here of the title, you notice that in the encumbrance area there is nothing. But usually, if there is an encumbrance on the land, you might find a mortgage, you might find a lease, you might find a caveat. An encumbrance can be defined as something stopping you from purchasing that land. Let's say an encumbrance could be like how we gave a mortgage. Someone could have obtained a loan on that land, and the fact they obtained a loan on that land, you find an encumbrance of a mortgage, meaning they gave that title to a bank. Let's say they obtained their loan from a bank. So you find that you can't purchase that piece of land. Why? Because there is an interest that is there. So you have to first resolve that interest if you are to go ahead and buy that land. Normally what happens is that some people end up buying land when someone has removed this encumbrance page. So you have a title that is not full. So you end up buying land not knowing it was subject to other rights, and you end up incurring the burden for that. So the encumbrance page must be clear. It should not have any encumbrances there. Otherwise, if you buy that land, you're going to suffer with the encumbrances that you found on that land. Then we're going to go to the last page, which looks like this. Normally the last page has the conditions that you're supposed to comply with that land. So for instance, the particular conditions, this land is only subjected to residential conditions. So the conditions of this title that we have here is that this land is restricted to residential use, meaning for only residential use, like could include building a home there. You could have farming activities on the land. You can't wake up and use this land for commercial purposes, i.e. waking up, setting up, let's say, a business center on that land when you haven't applied for permission from physical planning to use that land for commercial purposes. Well, so those are the essential features you must look out for when you're looking at a land title and ascertaining as to whether it's genuine or forged. If you found this information useful, kindly share this to our friends because it could help them a lot. And if you like this kind of content, kindly hit the notification bell so that you can receive weekly legal updates. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.